Today we're going to be covering the 5 best side hustles that you can start in 2024 to start making some extra money. Now, I've tried all of these and I have made some money from all of them, so I can say that they do work. The only thing that you really need to do is focus on scaling. So focus on getting started on one of these, not all of them at the same time, because then you really can't get anything done. You can't get started on just one thing. So pick one that you like, focus on it, give it maybe 2 weeks to maybe a month to just focus on actually getting started. And then once you start to see a little bit of results, then continue with it. Start trying to scale, start reinvesting your time into it, start reinvesting some of the money you've made into it. Or you can be like me and just start each one of these and just get them started, automate what you can, and then focus on starting another stream of income. So to get started, the first one we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing. Now, this is one of my favorite ones, and one of the best places you could start is through ShareASale. On ShareASale, there's tons of different vendors that you can apply to be an affiliate for. Now, best part is the entire thing is completely free. All you have to do is start marketing your links. So my suggestion to you, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, is to pick a niche that you know about. Like me, for example, it's entrepreneurship and starting a t-shirt business, and make sure that the products or services that you're going to be offering or promoting fall in line with your niche. So let's say you plan to promote pet products. Make sure that the content that you're making or wherever it is that you're going to be posting these links, make sure it's all relevant to that niche. Now, before we continue on to number 2, let me know down in the comments below which one of these you actually want me to expand on. Which one of these do you want me to make a longer video for? And whichever one has the most comments or whichever one has the most votes, then I'll go ahead and start making some of the topics that I see you're all interested in. So let me know down in the comments below, or if there's anything that you would like me to try. All right, number 2, dropshipping. I love dropshipping. It is one of the easiest ways to make money, and quite frankly, it's easy to automate. So what is dropshipping? Simply put, dropshipping is when you get an order from your online store, and instead of you fulfilling it, instead of you packing it up, printing out a shipping label and sending it off, this is all taken care of by a supplier. So that order, whenever it comes in, instead of you actually doing the fulfillment, you're going to go to your supplier's website and you're going to place the order with them. Then they're going to take care of all of that heavy work, and all you have to do is update your customer with the tracking number once you get it. It's actually pretty easy to start. It's got a very low barrier to entry, and marketing a dropshipping business is super easy. TikTok is the way to go. Nowadays, any business you can pretty much promote on TikTok. Now, what can you sell with dropshipping? Well, you can pretty much sell anything. There's tons of different websites that you can go on to buy pretty much generic products that you can offer to your customers. And trust me when I say that people love generic products, because there's some pretty cool ones out there. If you can catch on to a trend early, then you can make some pretty good money. Like, look at fidget spinners back in the day. People that started selling fidget spinners more than likely were dropshipping them. Nobody actually had a huge warehouse full of them. They were all dropshipping them from a supplier, and they made some pretty massive bank. All right, next up at number 3, we have content creation. Now, content creation is pretty much what I'm doing right now. Creating some sort of content, whether that be recording videos on YouTube, recording videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, just taking pictures and posting them on Instagram, writing blogs, any form of content, actually creating it. Now, this can be monetized in a few different ways. For one, you can combine it with your affiliate marketing. And 2, sometimes you can even get monetized or you can get sponsored. So I'm pretty sure you've noticed, but on almost every single YouTube video that you watch, you're going to have an ad playing at the beginning and sometimes in the middle. That's because that channel is monetized. So if you're posting on YouTube, you can eventually get monetized if you meet their minimum requirements. As for a blog, you can sometimes get sponsored by certain companies to create a blog post. Of course, you are going to have a good amount of monthly readers or monthly visitors to your site in order to qualify to get sponsored or to be noticed. If you're creating videos on TikTok or on Instagram Reels, same thing. You can get paid directly by the platform, which, just so you guys know, it's typically not worth it. TikTok and Instagram really don't pay much, or if anything at all. Instagram, I know, used to pay a lot. Now, I don't know how they are because I never got monetized on Instagram, but I did get monetized on TikTok. And honestly, unless you have like millions and millions of followers, you're not going to be making much. YouTube, on the other hand, is a different story. YouTube does have the potential to make you a good amount of money. But just because you're not making a lot of money from TikTok itself, doesn't mean you can't make a lot of money with TikTok. Affiliate marketing and promoting your own website or promoting somebody else's website on TikTok is a goldmine. People that are on TikTok, the demographic that's on TikTok is extremely impressionable. And a lot of the times they're very impulsive as well. So if they see something they like, if they have it right in front of them, which nowadays TikTok Shop is something that you don't want to sleep on, they'll make the purchase right on the spot. And TikTok Shop right now is blowing up. So as you can see, content creation can actually be monetized in multiple ways, and it can be combined with a few of the other ways as well. All right, number 4, start freelancing. If you're good at something that you can deliver digitally, then start freelancing it on a website like Fiverr. I started advertising content creation on Fiverr, and I've actually gotten a few orders to simply make a few 30-second to 1-minute videos. If you're good at anything that you can deliver digitally, If you're good at designing, if you're good at making videos, if you're good at editing pictures, if you're good at drawing, if you're good at writing a blog, if you know about SEO, if you know website creation, if you know coding, literally anything that can be delivered digitally, you can freelance your services on Fiverr, and I highly suggest you do so. Even if you don't have any particular skills, you can still freelance on Fiverr. There's people making money on there simply just putting captions on TikTok videos. It's super simple. Look, I'm going to break down to you exactly how they do that right now. So all you have to do is sign up for CapCut. CapCut was being pushed heavily by TikTok. I think they're actually partnered with them, but pretty much all it is simply a video editing tool. It's super easy to use, and the pro version is only about $8 a month. I actually use the pro version to edit my videos, and it's got this feature for auto captions, so it automatically places the captions right in front of your video. Kind of like the ones that are playing right now. Sometimes the speech to text won't fully recognize what you say, so you're gonna have to go in there and maybe fix a couple of words, but that's not that big of a deal. You can charge maybe 15 or 20 bucks to do 4 or 5 videos, and you already paid for 1 month subscription, as well as made a couple of extra bucks. Okay, and last but not least, number 5, you can resell t-shirt transfers. Now, you don't have to be in the t-shirt business for this. This is the best part about it. If you know how to design, or if you have a few different designs that you have access to, then you can get those printed on t-shirt transfers and sell them. Now, this is how you can make this work. To get started on the cheapest foot possible, make designs that are just one color. Something like a slogan or just a basic text t-shirt. Then you're gonna go to TKOSales.com, you're gonna start an order, and you're gonna stick to their active sport. So this, you're gonna stick to the classic, and remember, we're going with one color. This is how it's gonna be the cheapest. You're doing the single image, and make sure you keep your design within 9 by 12.75 inches. So this is gonna run you 15 cents per design with a $25 setup fee. So what you're going to do is you're going to order 100 of those transfers. That's going to run you $40. Plus shipping, let's add maybe about 13, so $53 total. In total, each transfer is going to cost you about 53 cents. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take those transfers and you're going to list them on your website, or you're going to show them off on TikTok, and you're going to put them on your TikTok shop, anywhere where you can show people your product. And you're going to start selling them at $1 each. But you're not going to sell them single. You're going to sell them starting in packs of 5. Or you can offer them with a minimum order starting at 5. Because honestly, selling just one transfer is not going to be worth it. Now, to save you a few bucks, make sure you use my code NECOPRINT so you can get 10% off your first order. Now, the best places that you can sell this are going to have to be, hands down, for 1, TikTok shop, because I've seen these trending on there like crazy. And 2, Etsy. These are going to be your top 2 places to sell transfers. And remember, you don't have to be pressing t-shirts in order to do this. If you want some content of your transfers being pressed, then just reach out to a few people and send them a couple samples. Send them maybe 1 or 2 different designs and just ask for a video in return. And those were the top 5 side hustles that you can start in 2024. Let me know what your thoughts were down in the comments below. Remember, also let me know which one of these you want me to expand on, which one do you want to learn more about. I'd be happy, and I'd love to make a video on any one of these. So just let me know down in the comments below. Also, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. My name is Mario with NECOPRINT. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.